Hello guys, so welcome to Looker tutorial. Myself is Raji Prabha. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Looker access. Means, so we are going to discuss about how to access the Looker. So how we can do the practice on Looker, how we can do the experimentation on Looker with the free of cost. So I'm going to explain all the details in detail. So I'll just provide you the step by step to access the Looker BA without any cost. But to get a Looker access, at least you need one Gmail account. So without any Gmail account, so we cannot access the Looker. So the prerequisite to access the Looker is a Gmail account. So I'm going to create my one of the Gmail account, and from the Gmail account I'm going to practice the Looker BA. Okay, and the second prerequisite is you have to log into one application, which is Google Cloud Skill Boost application. See, there is application called Google Cloud Skill Boost. If you want to practice any Google product which is available in cloud, you can access this application. I mean, not only Looker. If you want to practice BigQuery, data flow, anything which is part of the Google Cloud platform, that you can practice from this Google Cloud Skill Boost application. Okay, so I just said, so we need at least one Gmail account, one active Gmail account, and then we have to register ourselves with the Gmail account inside this Google Cloud Skill Boost application. So let me present the steps. So go to browser, type Google Cloud Skill Boost. Google Cloud Skill Boost. See this one. And you can see this link, Google Cloud Skill Boost. Click on this link. Okay, just click on this link. Then you will get the welcome page. Okay, here you have to click on this join or sign in. Anything is fine, but click on join. Then you have to click on this option, sign in with the Google. Click on this option, sign in with Google. So since I have logged into my Gmail account, that is the reason my logged in Gmail account is accessed here. So you just select your Gmail account from here. If you don't log into a Gmail account, so you have to select this option, use another account. Then you have to give email ID and password. Then only you can access or you can register yourself inside this application. Since I have a Gmail account which is already registered or logged in my browser, I'm just selecting this rajiprabha.learn.looker@gmail.com. Now I'm able to log in successfully inside Google Cloud Skill Boost application. Just click on I am not robot and just click on accept. So with this you are registered the Google Cloud Skill Boost application, but it's just first step only, but still you don't have access to Looker BI yet. So inside this application we can access any number of Google applications, not only Looker, any other Google Cloud application. Okay, for now to access the Looker BI, just click on this explore. Click on explore. Then in the search bar, see the search bar will be appeared here. Just click on Looker. Okay, select the fourth option, build lookml objects in Looker, this one. See, then you can click on this option, quest. So wherever quest is available, so you can click on that link. Then each quest will provide multiple labs. See, the lab. We have n number of labs here. Okay, you can click on any one of the lab. So you can click on any one of the lab. Now, so you have to click on the start lab. Means whenever we click on the start lab, the looker instance will be created for you, okay, from this application. The real-time looker only. There is no difference between the this looker version and the real-time looker version. Everything is same only. Just click on this start lab. That's it. Now you got username and password. Just click on this open looker. The looker instance URL will be opened in the new link or new tab. See this one. Even in the real-time applications also, you can see this kind of window to log into looker. Okay, go to previous tab, copy the username. Just copy this username only. Don't give your Gmail ID. Just copy this username and paste it inside email box. That's it. Next, go to previous tab, click on password, copy it. Just click on this option, copy. Automatically the password will be copied and paste it here. That's it. Now click on login. Now you are able to successfully log into the Looker BI application, which is one of the greatest cloud-based BI tool which is available in the market right now. Click on never. So this is the home page of a Looker. This is the home page of Looker. Even in my real-time project also, I can see the same kind of landing page. It's a home page. So you can see the multiple options. You can see the explore, develop, admin. So as a developer, you mostly use this menu, develop menu, because as a developer, you have to involve more on development, right? That is the reason your focus more be on develop menu only. Okay, and yeah, so it's a looker icon. If you work in any one of the organization, instead of looker, right, you may see your organization icon here. Okay, that's it. It's very simple. From this you can easily access the looker BI. But there are some limitations in this application. Okay, the limitations are each and every lab you can access 5 times only. Okay, means let's say this lab. This lab will end in 45 minutes. The lab duration is 45 minutes. Some labs may have 30 minutes. Some labs may have 1 hour. Some labs may have 1.5 hour. Okay, if I go back, see it is a one lab. This lab limitation is 45 minutes, and as I said, each lab can be accessed only 5 times, means 45 into 5 minutes. Okay, within 45 minutes the lab will be expired, so you have to again log in. Again you have to start from the scratch. You have to create your code again and again, because it's a free version. Okay, this lab will have 1 hour, so means every lab can be accessed 5 times, means 1 into 5 hours. You can access this lab only 5 hours. Next, you can access this lab in 45 into 5 minutes. This lab also 5 hours. This lab also 1.5 into 5 hours. Like that. See, not only these labs, there are n number of labs are available in this application. With one Gmail account, at least you can practice 1,000 hours. Because when I click on explore here, right? So I can search looker. Okay, I can search looker. So each and every, see, it's a lab. Okay, n number of labs are available. N number of labs. Quest will have labs. This is also lab. We have 45 pages. Okay, 1 second. See, like that. See, it's a course. I mean, in a course you can't see the labs. Okay, you can see the labs inside a lab or quest section. Okay, it's a quest. Inside a quest you will have a labs. See, labs, lab. You can access this lab 1 hour for each time into 5, means maximum 5 hours you can access this lab. Like that, with one Gmail account you can access you can practice looker at least 1,000 hours. But if every lab is expired, if you don't have any labs left, you can create one more Gmail account and you can register yourself inside Google Cloud Skill Boost application. From that Gmail also you can practice 1,000 hours. Okay, so let me repeat again what we have discussed here. So in this video we have discussed how to access the Looker BI from the browser. So as I said, so we cannot install Google application in our local machine. You have to access from this application for free of cost. So you will not get free of cost with any software to be installed. You can access this Looker from this application only, which is Google Cloud Skill Boost. Each and every lab can be accessed only 5 times. And lab can have 45 minutes to 1.5 hours, depends on the lab. Okay, and see, once the lab is expired, you have to register, you have to log in again and again. Okay, so that's all about the accessing the Looker BI from this Google Cloud Skill Boost. So thanks for watching. And even if you want to upskill yourself in Looker BI, just reach out to me via on this number. I can help you guys to learn Looker BI, and also I can help you guys to upskill yourself in data analyst with Looker BI, because Looker BI is a data analyst tool or business intelligence tool. Okay, so I can help you guys to upskill yourself in Looker BI. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.